Hey everybody, Dan with Sierra Nevada UTV. So I wanted to do an unboxing with a product they've been one of our sponsors for years now, and they've contributed to our raffles, so on and so forth, and we'd like to do an unboxing and show you what the Muffpot's about. So product is the Muffpot. You could put it on a sled or a machine, snow machine. You could put it on ATV, UTV, or a motorcycle. What this product does is it bolts to your exhaust. It heats up whatever you're trying to cook. So whether it's frozen chicken wings when you're out on, a cold day, or just any day at that matter, or pizza pocket, warm sandwich, whatever you wanted to do. So let's get to it. Here's the product itself. I've already opened it. So basically what it is it's a container, and what it does is it straps with the hose clamps to your exhaust itself. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. Oh, by the way, they created, they're cooker bags is what they are. So no leaking, burning, no mess, no cleanup. Basically, you put your food in here, and then you put it in the actual Muffpot itself. And it's BPA free. So just so you know, let's go put it on. And here it is installed. Pretty simple install, took about 5 minutes. Basically, I put it there so exhaust had a little bit of time to cool off. See the hose clamp? Yeah. Not overcook the food, but thanks, Muffpot.